Hi everyone, and this is Pinay sa Minnesota, and I'm new one here in the USA of Minnesota. I'm living from Champlain, and I'm only 5 months here, and now I'm working here in Fairs Nursery, flowers. So yeah, I'm working here in the garden, and this is my first time to selling the flowers. Yeah, here. Um, and nag-sale na pala kami ngayon. 50% annual. So, lahat ng flowers na nandito ay sale kami. So, maraming bumili ngayon. And this one is already sold. All of this. Thank you for buying this one. Oh, it's a lot. Sold from funeral order. Please don't touch. So, yeah. Mostly I love this one. Oh, it's so nice. No? Yeah. It's nice to be work here with my co-employee. They are so nice to me. All of us. And also to our boss. They are so kind. Ayan. And ito naman yung aming herbs. All of this is 75%. Oh, di ba? Ayan. So, pwede rin palang ihanging yung ating bagumbilya. Ito yung aming bagumbilya. Yan. Ang ganda, di ba? And we have a lot of herbs. Before, we have a lot of herbs. But now, no more. They are all sold. And ayan. Oh, ang ganda. Gonya. Ito naman. Maganda to noon. Ngayon, wala na. Lahat is sold na. Ito na lang yung mga naiwan. Ayan. And then, ito meron tayong itong mga kamote, sweet potato. Kung ano pa. Kamote na flowers. Ayan. O, diba? Meron tayong gabi-gabi. Then, ayan. Ito yung maganda. This is the beautiful. I don't know why. Sabi nga nila, hindi daw ito namumulak. But, I have like this in Hong Kong. You know what? Mayroon siyang bulaklak. It's a white. Then, this is the vine hanging. Oh, it's so nice. Before, we have a lot of this one. Xenia. But our Xenia, it's almost done. So, ito lang yung mga naiwan. Oh, diba? And this one, it's a lot before. Yan. And now, almost done. They are all sold. And then we have the Magic Rose. Ito na lang yung mga naiwan natin sa Magic Rose natin. Oh, they are still good and pretty until now. And of course, we have Dahlia. Dahlia. Maganda na Dahlia. Before, we have a lot of kinds of color. Yun na lang ang naiwan. And this one, before, we have a lot of this one. But now, they are all sold. All done. Yeah. Oh, diba? Ang gala. They are so nice and beautiful. Oh, and then, meron tayong green. Ayan. Hanging. It's nice. Hanging. And yeah, ito na lang naiwan natin. Ito na lang yung naiwan sa ating vines. Ay, andun pa pala yung mga vines natin na iba. Ito. Ano ang tawag dito, guys? Ito na lang yung mga naiwan sa amin. Ito na lang talaga. Ito ang marami pa sa amin. Yan. Yan, sa baba pa. Hanging. Oh, ang ganda. My God. And then we have also in outside. Yan. Solding niya. Ito yung sa labas natin. Before it's a lot here, but now patapos na kasi yung ano namin guys, kaya lahat ng mga bulaklak is nasa labas na siya. Oh, yan na lang mga naiwan. Ito na yung hindi nabinta. And ayan ang mga pabinta pa namin, marami pa, mga trees, ganyan. Oh, 'di ba? Yan. Yan. Ito dati mga vegetable dito. Kaya lang ubos na. Ito mabinta din to noon. Grabe ngayon, wala na. Then, meron sila mga paso. Ayan, lahat na lang andito. O, diba? Kompleto na kaming lahat. Ayan, kaya lang, nagtataka ako bakit walang orchids. No? Wala silang orchids. Ayan. So, ayan o, malalaki na paso. ito na yung tanim mo, hindi na to pwede, wala na rin namang bibili. So, kailangan mo nang itapon. Sayang oh, ang dami. Sayang naman tong lupa. So, ginagawa ko, pinapagpag ko dyan. Para pwede pa yung lupa. Kung may magpapaayos, ganyan, nagpapadagdag ng lupa, dadagdagan namin. Yan, ayan mga gamit namin. Wala kaming customer ngayon, so, at saka hapon na rin. Siguro, yung mga customer is, marami na silang bulaklak. So, yun, paisa-isa na lang yung aming mga customer for today. So, yan lang guys. I'm enjoying selling the flowers. Meron kaming customer nag-iisa, pero marami siyang binibili. Kasi nga, 50% saan ka pa? So, yun lang guys. Pinay sa Minnesota. Please like and subscribe naman guys. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. Pinay sa Minnesota. Thank you for watching and bye.